How to align in Photoshop. This is a very useful tool that Photoshop have that makes sure that your clip art or your patterns or any type of shape that you have are even proportioned. So for example, I'm going to select my square tool that we made, or sorry, we're going to select my square shape that we made, and I'm going to align this so that it is in the middle of my canvas. So you can either sit there and try and figure out exactly where it's meant to go, or you can do it the easier way. And by doing that, all you need to do is you need to click on your layer, of course, and come over to the marquee tool, which is this dotted rectangle shape. And if you can't see that, just right click and you might be able to see it here, and then click onto the rectangle marquee tool. Okay, then on the edge of your canvas you want to click and drag all the way, and then hit release. And then you have around your canvas these dotted lines, which are also known as marching ants. Okay, you're then going to move over here to your move tool, and then on the top here you'll see that these here are your align tools, and you can pretty much align them to whichever way you want it. So if you actually hover over it, it will tell you exactly what it is. So this is your align horizontal center, okay, and then you want your vertical center. All right, like that. Or say for instance you're wanting it on the left hand side or at the bottom. So if you're wanting it on the left, you would click this button here, or if you want it on the right, or if you want it at the bottom, or if you want it at the top. Okay, now say for instance you're wanting to just bring that back to the center. Now say for instance you're wanting to align your text layer too. Over here, and let's find our text layer, which is this one here. Okay, now you can do the exact same thing. You've already got it highlighted in your marquee tool used. Let's center that vertically and horizontally. So remember that you always want to make sure that your layer is selected that you're wanting to use. Now the reason why you obviously see two layers of the same thing is because remember we did a duplicate of that layer, so we can either cross that one off altogether, hide that one, or you can pretty much drag and delete it. Okay, and then to deselect that and you're happy with the way it is aligned, you need to obviously do something to remove your marching ants. And to do that, all you need to do is hit Control or Command D for Delta, and then it is deleted. Okay,